How many reactions am I filming today? I don't know. But I said that was going to be my last fight when I was reacting to the YouTube fights. But nah, it's going to be the Xbox Mini Fridge World Premiere. Let's get into it. Xbox Mini Fridge World Premiere. World Premiere. Xbox Mini Fridge. Let's get it. I saw it and I saw that Xbox Among Us is coming to Xbox. Even though it's already washed. But let's get into it. Let's get into it. If you want me to react to any video, all you got to do is 1, be subscribed, and 2, comment the video. Simple. Be subscribed, comment the video. And let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. Xbox commercials be looking so good. Look, there's rocks and stuff, and there's nothing to do with a fridge. For the first time Xbox history, can you play the games on the fridge? Oh, it's a mini fridge, so it's probably not gonna be that big. People gonna have this in their room. That's not no mini. There's nothing mini about that. That's a full-blown fridge. Actually, I want to see it like real. That looks like a full-blown fridge that I'll put in my kitchen. Okay. I get how this mini. You know, saying it looked like a mini fridge. Nah, boy. We got our own fridge. Yeah. Xbox and chill. Holiday 2021. I'm not gonna get it, but unless they come out $50, I'm not gonna get it. Let's check. Okay. Let's see Xbox Mini Fridge. I want to see it like in real life how big it is. Because at first it didn't look like no mini. Nothing mini about it. Bro, that's not mini. What's mini about that fridge? That fridge is taller than me. There's nothing about that. I might put a picture up right here, but there's nothing mini about that fridge. That fridge is bigger than me. I'm mini. That fridge is smaller than me. That's about as big as the doorway. No, it's not. But that fridge is big. They should call it Xbox fridge. Ain't no way they're calling that a mini fridge. If they bring out a fridge, I'm not hating or anything because I'm actually Team Xbox. Well, I play PlayStation 2, but there ain't no way they're calling that a mini fridge. That's Xbox fridge. That's Xbox fridge. Well, don't play with it. Their regular fridge is gonna be a full-blown house. There's nothing mini about that. But we out. If you want me to check the video, all you gotta do is 1, be subscribed, 2, comment the video, and I'm out.